Namaskaram, hi all, Sat Shri Akal and Salam Alaikum. Welcome to my sixth session on Secrets of Universe. Thank you for your feedback given for my previous videos. Hope you are all doing good and great. So I think today I would like to share one more story from Law of Attraction. You can check in previous sessions we have explained on some of my experiences and ask you to correlate and check your experience as well. Hope you would start trying to correlate with your stories. So I am thinking this may be the last story from Law of Attraction, and we can move ahead into some other stories from some other subjects from next sequence onwards. Yeah. So this is the from my live example. It happened in somewhere around 2009 or 2010 when I was in Mumbai. I have to come back to Hyderabad on some urgent work, and I have my train ticket already booked. So we used to work in SEEP's office in Andheri East, and I have to catch my train from CST Mumbai, which starts at around 9:20 p.m. in the night. Yeah. So that day it was heavily raining. There was delay in my office to come out of office due to that heavy rain. I took help of my colleague to come out, who helped me with umbrella to the bus stop near SEEP's. Yeah. From there are no buses flying, and no rickshawala is ready to come. But I have urgent task, so I cannot withdraw. I was waiting. And I need to catch local train from Andheri East Harbour Line, which I think it is around 7:40 p.m. So that once I reach there to CST, I'll have around 20 minutes time for my train to start from CST. Yeah. So that day there was a lot of delay. I was delayed at my SEEP's bus stop itself. Finally, I got one local bus and I reached to Andheri, but I was already delayed. And in Andheri railway station, Harbour Line used to be in the other end, because when we are entering from east. So by the time I rushed to the platform, the train was already moving. So in that situation, I was thinking how to reach my destination. So the other second option I found is, if I go by Central Line, I can go to Churchgate, and from there I need to come out and catch taxi to reach to CST. So I quickly run back to the counter and purchased ticket for the Central Line, and I boarded the train in the Central Line to the Churchgate. So the train was not at its regular pace. It was stopping at many because of the signals, as it was heavily raining. It is getting delayed. So my only thought, I strongly determined, at any cost I need to be in Hyderabad the next day. I would have dropped once I missed my train at Harbour Lane, but still I was not sure with this local train. Even if I reached to Churchgate, I need to come out and catch a taxi and reach to CST. So by seeing the pace of the speed and this Churchgate local, I was thinking continuously that at any cost I will have time and I will reach a CST on time. So finally I reached Churchgate. While coming out of a train, I was rushing outside by running, literally, and thinking that first taxi guy should come and drop me at CST. Okay, instead of thinking he should not say that he will not come. Okay, so I got into the first cab. Yeah, and then I am about to reach to CST, and time is running out. It's already 9:35 and my train is at 9:40 p.m. Yeah. So exactly when I reached the CST signal, there was a signal, and that guy has stopped there. So literally I given money to the taxi guy and rushed towards running across the road, running to the station. It was exactly 9:40 by the time I was reaching to the gate of CST. Suddenly there is an announcement. While I was running, I was hearing that announcement that my train got delayed by next 10 minutes. Okay, but the only thing is what they mentioned, it is due to rain. Yes, I know there are heavy rains at that time, but I strongly determined I need to be there at Hyderabad. I took all these alternative routes. Otherwise, if it is a normal situation, I would have dropped myself at Andheri itself. So this is what, if you really see, it looks like coincidental. It is not that you determined that is the reason train got delayed. It is other factors, like natural factors, like it was raining, that is the reason train got delayed. Lines were not clear, that is the reason my train got delayed by 10 minutes. So I was able to reach my station by time, and then I got time of 10 more minutes to relax from that running and hurry whatever I was in. So this is one of the example. You too can check. As I always think, we always tend to go to the same parking lot in office. Yeah, that means you are mentally blocking your position at office. If you really see, around 80 to 90% you will get the same slot in your office parking lots. Yeah, and most of the time you may think, okay, why I am getting the same thing. So even though other slots are booked, that is reserved for you, because mentally you are already aligned and you are thinking you are going to get this, as you are adjusted to it, but you never given a thought to it. Yeah, and same way, if you are thinking about someone you have not met for a long time, you may be seeing them, you may be meeting on the road, or they may be calling you. So these are looks like something as a coincidental, but these are all the factors from your thoughts. Whatever thoughts you are releasing, those are getting actualized. Hope you like this video. From next video onwards, we'll be touching upon other topics or other subjects, as from the hermetic principles, or maybe from about universe subjects and all. Yeah, thank you. If you like it, please like and share to your friends and comment. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.